voicemail. So we told him that he needed to have his name and the cause number on here. And now it's, he's in another state. I think he's in Louisiana right now. He's got a job that moves him around. So, I can't control the guy. I don't know whether he is.
Oh,
What does
okay.
your room show?
Okay. So in the waiting room, I don't see Juan Eduardo Espinosa. That's why I was asking, maybe he was perhaps in your office or something like that. There's other names that I need to pull out, because in case you're using somebody else's iPhone or something. Is she a defendant or something? I don't know. There's an Ileana Sepulveda.
Judge, she's an ADA with us. She might be here.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you. So no, so far there's no. So he's out of town then.
Yeah, he's out of state. So let me have my secretary make a quick call again.
Okay,
see if it goes through.
Okay.
Gosh, these people are so not responsible.
Okay, we'll give it a try. Let's give it a try, Mr. Benton.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
See if Terry has.
Let's look at Terry Coronaro's another one.
Number 7.
Yeah, number 7. All right, number 7. Miss Coronado.
Good morning, Judge.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning. Your client is Alan Michael Gonzalez, right, ma'am?
Yes, Judge. I don't see him on screen. Is he there?
I don't see him in the screen or actually in the waiting room.
Okay, Judge. Let me give him a quick call. Make sure.
Okay. All right.
Okay, let's see if Florence's client is with him.
Prudencio.
That's number 5.
Number 5. Okay, let's look. Try number 5 here. So far, strike 2, and we're not even playing baseball in the World Series. One more strike, and I want to play shut it down. Okay. Okay. Mr. Flo Lopez, can you hear me?
Good morning, Your Honor. Long time no see. My client's here, Mr. Habib.
Your client is there with you?
Yes, right now we're ready for the pretrial admonitions. Everything's ready, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. He'll be placed on PTD, right, sir?
Yes, Mr. Habib.
Yes.
Oh, okay. We can do a plea right now.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Just one case, right?
Yes.
All right. That'll be Habib Yula, right?
Yes.
All right. Please raise your right hand, sir. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
All right. You can put your hand down. CR 2100410D, Habib Yula, your charge, DWI Class B misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to 180 days in jail and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes.
Louder.
You understand that you're entitled to a jury trial, you're entitled to an appeal, and did you waive those 2 rights?
Yes.
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
No.
You understand that the court does not have to follow the recommendation after you give your plea?
Yes.
Yes.
And what is your plea, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
Yes.
Guilty. Guilty.
Guilty.
All right. And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
All right. State.
State offers plea documents and offense reports as states Exhibit 1, notification and certification of defendant's right of appeal as states Exhibit 2, waiver of Article 39.14 disclosures as states Exhibit 3, waiver of risk and needs assessment as states Exhibit 4, and PTD packet as states Exhibit 5. The state also requests that defense counsel stipulate to the venue and jurisdiction of this honorable court. The state further requests that defense counsel stipulate that all evidence which has been e-filed is sufficient to corroborate state's plea of guilty.
No objection, Your Honor. We submit to the venue and jurisdiction of this honorable court, and there's enough evidence to convict my client, Your Honor.
All right. And without objection, so admitted. However, at this time, the court will withhold any finding of guilt or innocence and will now jump to the PTD program here, which has already been approved by all the parties involved here, including the court. And all we ask, Mr. Yula, is that you follow the terms and conditions of this program so that someday down the future, we can dismiss this case. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
We're going to set it for status hearing, May the 10th, 2 p.m. May the 10th, 2023, 2 p.m. for a status report. Hopefully we'll get a good report. And like I said, just follow the terms and conditions And hopefully someday down the line, we can dismiss this case. Okay, sir?
Yes.
All right, good luck with that program. You're excused. Have a great day.
Does he have to report to probation tomorrow, or is there a probation officer there, or?
Probation will call.
Probation officer, Miss Jessica Ramirez, will be giving him a call later on.
Okay, okay, thank you, sir. Good to see you, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Good to see you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye, bye.
Yes, sir, Mr. Benton, any luck?
Yes, Your Honor. Got him on the phone, gave him
Oh.
the password and information. He should be signing on right now. I don't know if he'll get his name and cause number right, but yeah, we did make contact.
Oh, wait.
Okay, we'll wait a few more moments here. I don't see him yet in the waiting room.
Number 9.
And I'll do another case. I'll see
Thank
Mr. Carlos Quintana.
Number 9.
Number 9, Mr. Quintana. We have an announcement for CR 22-06-835D, Hector Reyes Arevalo. And set for announcement, Miss Cantu.
Yes, Judge, on this defendant, we are pending ASI screening. The defense counsel and I were in contact. We did agree to that. We are just pending the screening to see which route we will be taking.
Okay, so
That's correct, Your Honor.
Judge, we
Okay.
need about 3 to 4 weeks, Judge.
about 3 to 4 weeks.
December the 8th.
Yes.
December what?
The 8th.
December the 8th. December the 8th. You give me a 9 o'clock. December the 8th, 9 o'clock. What is this? Going to be status? Announcement and or status. December the 8th, 9 o'clock.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, sir. Your excuse. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Anybody else can bring in?
Mr. Arevalo can log off.
All right, Mr. Arevalo, that'll do it, sir. Your date has been reset for December the 8th, 9 o'clock. Okay, sir. Have a great day. All right. We're still waiting on, let me see here.
Terry Coronel's client, Alan.
Yes, Judge, he should be logging on. That might be him right there. Judge.
Oh, okay. I think he's logging in. Okay, that'll be what number? Give me a number. Number 5.
Number 7.
Number 7. That'll be Miss Coronado. Miss
Yes, sir.
Coronado, you represent. That'll be Alan Michael Gonzalez.
Yes, Judge.
Yes.
All right. Can you hear me, Alan?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
It'll be a plea, right, State?
Yes, Judge.
Yes.
All right. Please raise your right hand. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You may put your hand down. CR 22-05-269D, Alan Michael Gonzalez. You're charged DWI Class A misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to a year in jail and not more than a $4,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you're entitled to a jury trial. You're entitled to an appeal. And did you waive those two rights?
Uh,
That was what the writing you did when you signed up?
Signatures.
Judge, he did sign those
The-
documents.
I think he froze.
I think you froze too.
I think he froze. Yes. Okay, there he is. Okay,
There he
he's
is.
moving around. Mr. Gonzalez, remember that you have a right to a jury trial. You have a
Yes.
right to an appeal. And did you waive those two rights?
I believe so. Yes.
Okay. Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
Not that I know of.
Okay. And you understand that the court does not have to follow the recommendation after you give a plea. You understand that?
Yes.
And what is your plea, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
I don't recall what I put on paper.
No, wait a minute. Are you pleading guilty here today?
For the plea, I guess so.
Okay, so but are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily
Yes.
on your own? Okay, there we go. State.
State offers plea documents and offense reports as states Exhibit 1, notification and certification of defendant's right of appeal as states Exhibit 2, waiver of Article 39.14 disclosures as states Exhibit 3, and waiver of risk and needs assessment as states Exhibit 4. The state also requested defense counsel stipulate to the venue and jurisdiction of this honorable court. The state further requested defense counsel stipulate that all evidence which has been e-filed is sufficient to corroborate today's plea of guilty.
Your Honor, we have no objection to the exhibits and we do agree and stipulate.
And without objection, so admitted. It'll be the judgment of the court. The defendant is guilty as charged. And a recommendation, state.
The state's recommendation is a $100 fine, court costs 1 year, probated for 1 year, the repeat offender program, an alcohol class, mobile alcohol monitoring device for 9 months, 180 days Texas driver's license suspension, and 10 community service hours.
10 community hours. Is that the understanding, Ms. Coronado?
Yes, Judge, however, we would ask if the mobile device could be for half the period for 6 months. And then also if you could waive the CSR, he does care for his child who was disabled.
Okay, all right. Court will hereby waive the community hours. The interlock device is mandatory, but we can make it for 6 months instead of 9. So it'll be 6 months. It'll be $100 fine plus court costs, 1 year probation, repeat offenders program, alcohol classes, and the suspension of driver license for 180 days. But that's going to run concurrent with any administrative suspension. Did you understand that, Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes, sir.
All right, sir. That'll be the judgment. Good luck with your probation and your excuse. Okay, sir. You have a
Thank
great
you very
day.
much. You too,
All
sir.
right, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you,
Ms.
Judge. You have a
Coronado,
good day.
you have a great day too, Ms. Coronado. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Judge. Bye.
Mr. Benton, I
Sure.
still don't see your client in the waiting room. However, what you can do is call him back again and put him on speakerphone, and I think we can go with that.
Okay.
Let's try it.
All right, I'll do it. Thanks.
Okay, let's try it. Anybody, Solis, you want to put in Solis? All right, I'll get another lawyer in here, Mr. Solis. He'll be here for the Hernandez case, right? All right, Mr. Solis, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, Judge, good morning.
All right, sir, good morning. I think you're here for, on behalf of Artemio de la Fuente, right, sir?
I am Judge, Judge, just to inform the court, Mr. Marcos Hernandez, Judge, he does have several neurological issues. Ever since he retained our office, Judge, he refuses to communicate with anybody but Mr. de la Fuente.
Okay.
Mr. de la Fuente is out of town today, Judge, so I'm asking for a week, Judge, because I didn't want him to show up here and start freaking out in front of everybody.
Okay, not a problem. Give me a date. Ed.
It'll be for December the 8th. He still needs to go get evaluated at Tropical and he has not done so.
Right, December the 8th, what time?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. It'll be for December the 8th, 9 o'clock. And in the meantime, between now and December the 8th, we'll see if we can have get assessed at Texas Tropical, right? Yeah. We're gonna have the probation department and maybe the AIP officer maybe keep, telling him that he needs to go get an assessment.
Right, and my understanding is that there's already an agreement and the paperwork has been sent. It's just
Okay.
that I can't get him to sign it, Judge. He won't talk to anybody.
Okay, okay. December the 8th for right now, okay, sir?
Yes, Judge, thank you.
9 o'clock. All right, thank you. Your excuse.
Bye-bye.
Have a great day.
Your Honor,
Yes, sir, Mr. Yes,
what phone number should he call into?
well,
To call
he
it.
to call you actually, and you put him on speaker, and with that, I can hear
Okay,
you
have him
both.
call me and then
yes,
put him on a speaker.
yes, sir.
Okay, all right,
And I
that
think
works.
we can do the plea that way. Okay.
All right, thanks.
All right. Thank you. What else we got? This is the only one.
We're in the process of that happening right now on the phone call. Sorry, Judge.
No.
So when do you get to move into your new building?
Yes, sir, Mr. Benton.
Yes, when do you get to move into your new building?
We're supposed to be up and running January 2nd. So sometime either in November or December, we're supposed to be moving in gradually. I don't know which department goes first or second, but this is the time, I guess, between now and January.
That's pretty
For us to go in.
Very exciting.
So yes, we can't wait to get in there. But once we move in, we want to make sure that all the technology and all those wires are are hooked in the right place, so we can get going. So how long will that take? I don't know, maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks. I don't know. So it's pretty hard for us to plan because I could set, things down the line, but if it's gonna be during that 2 week period that we're moving or something, then we're gonna have to cancel everything. So it's really difficult to plan right now.
Yeah,
So-
it really is. He's on
so
the
hopefully
line.
we
Hold
can-
on.
Okay, that'll be Juan Eduardo Espinosa.
Hello,
Let's see if he
Juan.
can-
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Let me turn the judge up very loudly and make sure my door is shut.
Okay.
It's shut. Okay. All right. I think we're ready, Your Honor.
All right, Juan, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
All right, State, I think it's gonna be a plea and then a possible dismissal.
Yes, Judge, it is going to be one plea and one dismissal.
All right, it'll be a plea and one dismissal. Here's the plea. Court will continue with the October 31st, 2022 docket, CR 19-088-36D, Juan Eduardo Espinosa. You swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All
Okay,
right.
Juan, you're gonna really need to power up your voice for us. Can you do that?
Yes, sir. Well,
Better.
I've been connected to the speaker, but
You must-
I'm right here. I have my phone in my hand.
Okay,
That's fine.
I can hear you. Just try to speak up and understand you're going through multiple devices to get to the judge. So just speak a little louder than you usually would. Did you raise your right hand and do you swear to tell the truth like the judge asked you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right. Okay, Juan Eduardo Espinosa, your case, CR 19-088-36D, is a terroristic threat, Class B misdemeanor. It carries a potential penalty of up to 180 days in jail and not more than a $2,000 fine upon conviction. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you're entitled to a jury trial. You're also entitled to an appeal, and that you waived those two rights.
Yes, sir.
Have you ever been declared mentally incompetent?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, you understand that the court does not have to follow the recommendation after you give your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and what is your plea, sir? Guilty or not guilty?
I plead guilty, Your Honor.
Okay, and are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, State?
State offers plea documents and offense reports as states Exhibit 1, notification and certification of defendant's right of appeal as states Exhibit 2, waiver of Article 39.14 disclosures as states Exhibit 3, and waiver of risk and needs assessment as states Exhibit 4. The state also requested defense counsel stipulate to the venue and jurisdiction of this honorable court. The state further requested defense counsel stipulate that all evidence which has been e-filed is sufficient to corroborate today's plea of guilty.
No objection to those documents, Your Honor. We stipulate to a venue and jurisdiction, and we agree that we've been provided all the discovery required under the law.
All right, and without objection, so admitted. It'll be the judgment of the court. The defendant is guilty as charged. And a recommendation, State?
State's recommendation is a $200 fine, court costs 180 days, probated for 9 months, an anger management course, 30 community service hours, and the defendant must stay away from the victim, Jessica Pacheco.
Okay, stay away from Jessica Pacheco?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, and so I understand defendant is out of state, so we'll waive the community hours. He will report by, is it, Ms. Ramirez, easier by phone or by mail or what?
That's by mail.
By mail? He'll report by mail. And so we're looking at $200 fine plus court costs, 180 days in jail, but suspended and placed on 9 months probation, anger management, no community hours, stay away from Jessica Pacheco. Did you understand? Is that the understanding, Mr. Benton?
Yes, and we also agree that a other case, CR 19-02545D, was to be dismissed.
Okay, State?
Yes, Judge, the state has filed the motion to dismiss on CR 19-02545D. It's a theft.
All right, and then court will hereby grant State's motion to dismiss in CR 19-02545D, State versus Juan Eduardo Pacheco. I'm sorry, Juan Eduardo Espinosa, I'm sorry. In this case is hereby dismissed. All right, so good luck with your probation, Mr. Espinosa. Did you hear everything?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir, you're welcome. And you'll be reporting by mail, okay, sir?
Okay, thank you so very
You
much.
will be getting a phone call later on from Jessica Ramirez, the probation officer.
And can we
Okay.
make sure she has his present phone number? Or if not, she can call my office and I'll give it to her.
Okay, how do you want it, Ramirez?
Just to give him the number.
Either way, Judge, I can
Well-
get it off the paperwork or from the system.
Well, you can give it to us right now, Mr. Benton.
Yes, Juan, could you please give us your phone number, please?
Yes, of course. My phone number is 971 area code 272-1957.
Okay,
Did you get that, Mr.
971, 971, 272, 1957.
Yes, I got it.
All right, that'll do it. Good luck with your probation, Mr. Espinosa. Have a great day and stay safe, okay, sir?
Thank you. Likewise, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. And you too, Mr. Benton. You have a great day, okay, sir?
You too. It's a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. We'll see you. Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Mr. Lopez has the last one.
Okay, Mr. Lopez.
His client is not long.
All right, Mr. Ted Lopez. There he is.
Courthouse.
All right, Mr. Lopez. You, Mr. Ted Lopez, you're with Mr. Ted Lopez with the Public Defender's Office represents CR 22-08-663D, Jose Jesus Garcia. Yes, sir, Mr. Lopez, have you heard from your client?
I have not, Judge. Actually, this morning I've been at the jail all morning, Your Honor. I had to sign up some people up. So I'm signing in, Judge. I don't know if Mr. Garcia is present, Judge. I know he had bonded out, and since then I have not had a conversation with him.
Oh, okay. And so right now we don't see him in the waiting room, and according to staff, he's not in the courtroom. Otherwise, I would have been made aware. So therefore,
Yes,
it looks like an eyesight, Mr. Lopez, on CR 22-08-663D, Jose Jesus Garcia. It'll be a nice eye, okay, sir?
Thank you, Judge. And if we get a hold of him, we'll contact the court immediately, Judge.
All right. Yes, sir. Thank you so much. You may be excused.
Thank you.
All right. There's one more here. CR 19-14-603D, Ruby Ramirez. That was there for compliance. Any word on her, Ms. Ramirez?
Yes, Judge, I spoke with her on Thursday, I believe. And I already got confirmation that she did obtain the device.
All right. So she did get the
Okay.
device. Now we need to give her a date. We're going to use
May 24th.
to the lawyer or what? May 24th.
I don't know who her attorney is. At 2
Okay.
p.m.
Okay, her case, CR 19-14-603D, Ruby Ramirez, is set for PT pre-trial May 24th, 2 p.m. May 24th, 2023, 2 p.m. That'll do it.
That's it.
Miss Jessica,
Yes.
she did call in last week and she